Hi guys, and welcome back to another Ahjay Stelino Paints. This week I'm going to take a little bit of a different approach and just look at what I'll be working on in the next few weeks. As you know, I've been working my way through the various minis that Brent over at Goobertown Hobbies challenged me to, as well as these Ravenwing, which I really wanted to get some work in on and really get painted, to be honest. I'm excited about these guys. So they're pretty much ready for painting now, and those will be appearing in an upcoming episode. So keep an eye out for those and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I've made a few little changes to them, so they look a little bit more like the Ravenwing. Yeah, stay tuned. So first up is this Blade Guard Captain. Now, this is the one from the Indominus box. I want to do something a little bit different. I'm not massively fond of the standard sculpt. So in the first instance, I just made him a little bit more Dark Angel. Obviously went with the sculpted shoulder pads there and changed out the shield. Gave him two swords, swapped out the head so he's in keeping with the rest of the guys. Most of the stuff I'm going to do on this chap is going to be on the base that's going to make him stand out. I think he's going to get a little bit of a bigger hero rock and the standard Blade Guard colour scheme that I've done on the previous ones. I think it looks a little bit better now. Added some grenades on there, a little bit more Dark Angels, Greeblers, just to bring him in line with the others. Next up, the Aggressors, the Chonky Boys. Now these are going to be the first of my Deathwing. I know they're not Terminators. My Deathwing are 100% not going to be Terminators. There may be some, but you never know. First thing that I wanted to do with these though is these Boltstorm gauntlets. They just look too small in my opinion for the arms, so I went away, modelled up some different barrels, a little bit bigger, and modified the old gauntlets. Just cut the ends off, smoothed them down, and super glued on the replacements that I printed out. Dead straightforward fix. These will be appearing in an upcoming episode, obviously, and I'll make the STL available as well for these replacement tips. Should anybody want them, you're more than welcome to print them out yourself and get your Aggressors upgraded. I think it really adds a little bit more to the look of them, to be honest. It kind of adds to that overall imposing nature of them, gives them that more statuesque look and just separates them apart from the standard Aggressors. Other than that, a few Dark Angels, Greeblers here and there. They're going to go on the same sort of base as all of the other army, as you would expect. And I'm really looking forward to kind of showing you my scheme for the Deathwing. It'll be interesting to see what sort of reaction I get from people. And lastly, the Inceptors, the Jumpy Boys. Now, I'm not keen on the plastic flight stands that come with these, so I found these fantastic smoke trails. Again, 3D printed, smashed them out on the resin printer, and I really think they add some dynamic posing opportunities to the Inceptors. I'm pretty certain all of the Inceptors that I've got, so I've got another 6 of them to do after these, will be on this sort of base. Well, that's it for this quick video, guys. Until next time, remember, if you're going to do crack, make sure it's plastic. See ya!